Hello, welcome to Stepping Stone's 9th step to Korean. 시작이 반이다. Which means well begun is half done. If you're watching this video and listening to my voice, well, you're already halfway through mastering what we are going to show you today. On today's video, we'll review everything we learned about Batchim. If you didn't watch our videos on Batchim, we highly recommend you to go back to watch those videos first before you move on with this one. Reason for that is because we're reviewing in this video, so we won't be explaining as specific as how we explained before. Alright, if you're ready to go, let us begin. We showed this table before in Batchim Part 2. If you don't remember, or if you haven't seen this table before, please go back to watch our video about Batchim on Batchim Part 2. These are all the consonants that you can use for Batchim, and they are organized based on the representative sound that they make. Pause this video for now, and try to test yourself if you can read each letters. Were you able to read all of them, or at least some of them? If you stay tuned to watch our video and practice with us, we guarantee that you'll be able to read this without a problem. So, just stay on our stepping stones to master your Korean. After you watch this video and you practice enough, try reading this on your own to see whether you actually understand how to read Korean letters with Batchim. We mentioned that consonant iung has empty sound, but it makes its own sound when it is used as Batchim, which is ung sound. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
앙, 양, 엉, 영, 옹, 용, 웅, 융, 응, 잉.
As you can see, when iung is used as Batchim, you combine sound of a letter with ung sound at the end of the letter, which is similar to how you put ing for verb to make different meaning and sound in English. Let's practice pronouncing letters with iung Batchim. As we mentioned in previous video, please focus only on how to read each letter that we give you, not the meaning that it holds. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
공, 공, 공부, 공부. 상, 상, 상자, 상자. 청, 청, 청소, 청소. 랑, 랑, 사랑, 사랑. 명, 명, 동, 동. 명동, 명동. 냉, 냉. 장, 장. 냉장고, 냉장고.
We learned that consonants 기역, 쌍기역, 키읔, 기역시옷, and 리을기역 makes 기역 sound when they're used as Batchim. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
악, 약, 억, 역, 옥, 욕, 욱, 육, 윽, 익.
Let's practice pronouncing letters with Batchim that makes 기역 sound. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
막, 막. 막차, 막차. 학, 학. 대학, 대학. 억, 억. 부억, 부억. 직, 직. 아직, 아직. 흑, 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 흑.
We learned that consonants nian, nian tiut, and nian hiut makes nian sound when they're used as Batchim. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
안, 얀, 언, 연, 온, 윤, 운, 윤, 은, 인.
Let's practice pronouncing letters with Batchim that makes nian sound. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
간, 간, 간장, 간장. 만, 만나요, 만나요. 온, 기온, 관, 도서관.
We learned that consonants digut, tiut, shiut, sangshiut, jiut, and chiut makes digut sound when they're used as Batchim. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
앗, 얏, 엇, 엿, 옷, 얏, 웃, 윷, 읒, 잇.
Let's practice pronouncing letters with Batchim that makes digut sound. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
끝, 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 끝. 뜻, 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 뜻. 갓, 갓. 바깥, 바깥.
We learned that consonants lier, lier hiut, lier piub, lier shiot, and lier tiut makes lier sound when they're used as Batchim. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
알, 얄, 얼, 열, 올, 율, 울, 율, 을, 일.
Let's practice pronouncing letters with Batchim that makes lier sound. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
덜, 덜, 여덟, 여덟. 별, 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 별.
We learned that consonants mium and lier mium makes mium sound when they're used as Batchim. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
암, 얌, 엄, 염, 옴, 욤, 욤, 임.
Let's practice pronouncing letters with Batchim that makes mium sound. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
삼, 산삼, 마음, 암,
We learned that consonants piub, piub, piub shiot, lier piub makes piub sound when they're used as Batchim. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
앞, 얍, 업, 옆, 옵, 욕, 웁, 육, 읍, 입.
Let's practice pronouncing letters with Batchim that makes piub sound. Listen carefully and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound for each letter.
답, 대답, 대답, 릅, 무릎, 곱, 곱빼기,
Great work, everyone! You should be able to read Korean letters with Batchim alone by now. You're almost there to be able to read and pronounce almost all the letters in Korean. Do you remember linking sound that Batchim makes? Linking sounds occur when letters with Batchim is met with letters with ing and any vowels. Do you remember that? If you're still uncertain about linking sounds, please go back to watch our video on linking sounds in Batchim Part 2 to make sure you fully understand them. Now, try reading words we give you that has linking sounds and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound.
먹, 먹어요, 많이,
We mentioned that when here is used in Batchim, linking sound for here is omitted from making the sound, and whatever is left in Batchim fills in for ing to make the sound. That is why this is called
많이,
consonant here is omitted when the word is pronounced, and instead, nian fills in for ing to make the sound.
앉아요, 굳은 살, 맡아요, 얇은, 밟아요, 끓어요, 굶어요.
When letter kum is used alone, Batchim rear mium makes mium sound. However, we learned the right side of consonant in Batchim fills in for ing when letters with Batchim meets letters with consonant ing and any vowel. So, when the letter kum makes linking sound, consonant rear is used as Batchim to make the sound, and consonant mium fills in for ing to make the sound. That is why this is called 굶어요, not 굶어요.
굶겨요.
When you look at this, can you see how letter kum is used differently? The letter kum used mium to fill in for ing to make the sound when kum meets letters with ing and any vowel. However, in this case, letter kum uses consonant mium as Batchim to make sound of the word, and consonant rear is omitted when the word is pronounced. This happens because letter that comes after kum has different consonant than ing with any vowel. So, in this kind of situation, you only use consonant mium as Batchim to make the sound of the word.
없어요.
We learned that when letters with shiot Batchim meets letters with ing and any vowel, instead of shiot filling in for ing, sang-shiot fills in for ing to make the sound. Do you remember? If you are uncertain about everything we reviewed so far, please go back to watch our video to make sure you fully understand all about Batchim. Great work, guys! If you practice enough with us, you should be able to read almost all the Korean on your own, even though you may not know the meaning of each word and phrases. Now, let's see how well you can read Korean sentences. Pause this video and try to read it on your own first, and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound.
도서관에 사람이 많아요. 도서관에 사람이 많아요. 도서관에 사람이 많아요.
Try reading this sentence on your own first and repeat after us as we give you the correct sound.
물이 팔팔 끓어요. 물이 팔팔 끓어요. 물이 팔팔 끓어요. 내가 만든 밥을 먹어 볼래? 내가 만든 밥을 먹어 볼래? 내가 만든 밥을 먹어 볼래? 다른 사람의 말을 끊으면 안 돼요. 다른 사람의 말을 끊으면 안 돼요. 다른 사람의 말을 끊으면 안 돼요. 여기에는 값이 싼 물건이 없어요. 여기에는 값이 싼 물건이 없어요. 여기에는 값이 싼 물건이 없어요.
Alright, you should be able to read most of the Korean letters on your own if you practice enough with us. On our next video, we're going to learn more about pronunciation rule of Korean consonant. There are times when a single consonant is used to make the sound of double consonant. That's it for today's video. Hope you're one step closer to mastering your Korean and stay on our stepping stones for your mastery of Korean. Thank you. If this video helped, please press like. If you want to stay on our stepping stones, please subscribe.